So we built a greenhouse for the winter to put our plants in, and we used PVC pipes and plastic material. We found that on Amazon. There's a little zipper right here that we can use to get into the greenhouse, and we have a little cord over here running down to attach lights into the greenhouse, like UV lights and whatnot. The dimensions of this greenhouse it's 7 feet in width or length and 8 feet in height and 9 feet in width. So take a look inside here. You can go inside and find chili plants. It's December, so they're holding up pretty well. We still have a few chilies over here. We also have a lemon plant, and you can see the little buds coming in. And we just found these UV lights off Amazon. And we also have a heater that keeps the greenhouse warm for the temperature of the plants. And we put this greenhouse next to 2 windows. And we'll show you how we built it.
So we moved all the plants inside the house for the winter. And we decided to build this greenhouse next to 2 windows. And we have 19 PVC pipes that are 10 feet by 1 inch. We bought plastic sheeting that's 6 mil and 10 by 25 feet. We also bought a zip wall and a T-fitting, which is 1/4 by 1 inch, which is easy to slip into the PVC pipes. We also have elbow clamps and regular just clamps that are 1 inch. Some Gorilla Tape and a 3-way 90-degree clamp fitting as well. And this is a clamp to attach the plastic sheeting to the clamps or to the PVC pipe itself. Our ceiling for our garage is around 10 feet. And then we started cutting the PVC to the lengths that we wanted them at. We have 4 PVC pipes that are 10 feet in length. We later changed that to 9. And we have 10 PVC pipes that are all 8 feet in length. There's 8 in the larger pile and 2 in the shorter pile, which are combined. And we have 6 PVC pipes here that are 7 feet. There's 4 in this larger pile. And if we add all the ones in the shorter pile to 2, that would make another. So here we started laying out the frame of what we wanted our greenhouse to be. And we started inserting our T-fittings that are 1/4 inch, so they were really easy to slide into the pipes. Then we attached 90-degree fittings to each corner of our frame. And then we rearranged the places that we had to put the T-brackets in. Here we're still building the frame of our greenhouse. We are putting into the corner edges and eventually into the T-brackets. And then we put another 2 T-brackets and directional 90-degree fittings onto the sides for the tops. Here we do the one closest to the window. do the same for the front side. And then we have 2 vertical supports on the longer sides and 1 vertical support on the shorter sides. So we're making another 8 feet pipe using the connectors and the PVC pipes. And here we realize one of our flaws where we didn't account for the amount of space the connectors were going to be put. So we had to go back and cut it. And now here it accommodates for the length. Here we made another 7 feet pole using connectors once again. But we realized we would have to put these at the top for support, and we didn't want that, so we took out the nice and long pieces that were one piece at the bottom, and we replaced them with our 7 feet pole that we used to those connectors. We also replaced on the back side as well. And we forgot to include our T-clamps for our horizontal supports on the top. And it's really easy to just unpop and pop these PVC pipes and fix your mistakes. Here we used our prior bottom length piece on the top for horizontal supports. So this is how it turned out after the whole thing was done. But the only change that we made during this was we put another horizontal support on the top. And then we gently tapped with a mallet on all sides. So here we unwrap our sheeting and we start to put it onto the greenhouse. And as we were putting the sheeting on, we realized that it didn't serve for the full 10 feet that we were promised. So we had to cut it to 9 feet. Here's another sheet that we're going to use for the front and the back. Then we fold it into half and cut it. this is where we added another horizontal support. We just plopped it out, added it in. And now we have 3 horizontal supports on the top. So now we have clamps that connect to the sheeting and the PVC pipes, and this makes it so we have an airtight fit for the greenhouse. Here we're putting it on all the sides, making it tight. We bought 4 packets of clamps, which equaled out to 40 clamps in total, and we had it so it was sufficient for the whole greenhouse. Here we're going to install our zip wall for a zipper for the greenhouse. We measure it so it's somewhat symmetrical. And there's an adhesive at the back which makes for a really easy installment. And here I start holding it straight down so my dad can tape it to the back of the and here we're just peeling the adhesive down. We test the zipper a bit, and now we repeat the same process on the other side. And the zip wall comes with this tool which we can open the greenhouse with a little blade that we have. So we puncture it in and then we slide down. And from inside the greenhouse, what it would look like. And now we're cutting the bottom to get in. And here we're just trying to push it towards the wall. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.